feel so good.
You alright, Foxy?
What, me? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm alright. Well, yeah. I'm fine. But why'd you ask?
You sound like you were hyperventilating or something.
What, me? No. I feel like I was looking for something like a sniff under my nose, but yeah. That's all I was going to do.
Okay then.
I don't get it what he's doing. Well, you know what Foxy was trying to be like?
What?
Well, something, he's trying to look like a dog.
A dog?
Yeah. That's why. That's what Foxy was acting like. Okay, first off, A, I'm not a dog. B, I'm a fox. Why do you think I was acting like a dog?
And then usually cause dogs usually sniff, they...
Yeah, like better than foxes. Okay then, well, someone was bullying me last night and someone called me a dog.
Oh, well that's sad to hear.
Who did? Well, it was like who looked like a nightmare version of me who called me that I'm acting like a dog, so I went like hyper, and hyper. That's what I was like going to feel like. Wasn't feeling good. Okay. But wait, I can sense those three are behind the pillows. Bonnie, do you feel the energy?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Oh god. Okay. Now we're getting over it. What is up, puppy? Ah, Jesus, not you again. Aw, what's wrong? Don't you need a food now? Shut up. Why? I said shut up.
Why would you leave him be?
But why? I'm getting sick and tired of you calling me a dog. I'm very so pissed at you. Well, don't be mean, bad boy. What did you just call me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Now piss off. Yeah, whatever. And guess what, puppy? I'm hanging out with my 3 ladies up there. Now you will not interrupt me if you dare tell them what I said. I'm going to kill you. Or what if I don't? Jerk. Or should I say a pussycat? Oh, it's on. It's on, dog. Stop calling me that. We'll see about that, stupid dog.
Well, that didn't do well.
True, but what are we gonna call it that will help Foxy that he's acting like a fox again instead of a dog? Really? I mean, you sure? What are we gonna call? I don't know. Uh-oh. Did you hear that?
Yeah, what?
I think I just barked. You barked? Yeah, Uh-oh. Now he's tricking me like a dog. Now he's making me one. Okay. Bonnie? Maybe we should call Chica, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, just let her away from him. Oh, hey guys!
Is he feeling okay?
He's acting like a dog, but we need your help.
What do you need help with?
Because there's the nightmare version of Foxy who keeps calling him that. He's trying to make him act like one, but we need your help. Woof, 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 woof. Yes, help me, please. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, but I don't get it. Did he say something to him? Yeah. Well, because I called him a pussycat, and he's trying to make me act like a dog. He told me not to tell the ladies what he just said, making me fun of. I've been make fun of. Woof, 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 woof. You gotta help me, boy. Woof, woof. You gotta help me. Please. Okay. But let Funtime Foxy can help you. Really? Woof! Yes. Okay. Now, I just need a breather, I think. Alright, Funtime Foxy, get in here.
Alright, I'll see what I can do.
Woof, woof, woof.
Alright, I gotta get him to turn around. Let's check and see what his head is. See? Looks like his midship must have been switched with a dog? A dog chip? Probably the reason why you're acting like one. Someone put a chip in you. Do we have any spare chips?
Spring Bonnie, do you have one of them?
I think there is some of them in the pots of service.
Like where? Or, Bonnie, I thought you had it in your pocket.
I do?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we could let it get us one of our voices.
Like, you mean you're gonna act like dogs? Like pretending?
Well, I can't let him go through what he's going through. So, I'll take the risk of losing my voice. But I will not have the dog voice. I'll just have no voice for a while. Alright, if you say so, I'll get it out. There we go.
Huh? Hey, I'm back. I'm back somehow.
Looks like we didn't have to switch voices after all.
Okay. Thank you. Now, I will get my revenge. I'm going to go kick his butt. You do it. We'll come with you. Yeah, sure. We could, like, pretend to act like dogs when Nightmare Foxy try to call us. And we could, like, pretend and make a distraction. Okay? Okay. Yeah, we got it. Let's go. Alright. Let's go.
Wait, so you wanna get my other Fox friends to act like the same thing?
No. I think it's just it for that right now.
So you want me to become one?
Just pretend like one.
Alright. I'll come along.
Alright. Yeah! Take that, Foxy. Oh, you're such a cute little doggy, aren't you? 'Cause you're not acting like a fox no more.
Okay.
Lol. I don't get it. Why?
I don't get either.
Was there something wrong with Foxy?
I guess so.
Woof! Woof! Huh? Woof! 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 Huh? Good boy. Now you're acting like one now. That's why you're not a fox anymore, huh? Woof! Woof! Well, because I am pretending one. NANI?! Well, I got one of my backup to pretend like one. Huh? I'm a Stegosaurus!
You're so cute when you act like a dog.
It's just me, Funtime Foxy. I just fixed Foxy. Oh yeah. I knew you didn't betray us.
But you still look cute even when you pretend to be one.
You mother, Funtime Foxy, did you betray me?
I wasn't even on your side.
So you tricked me all along. You tricked me all along.
Plus you called me a girl, which is very offending to me.
Shut up.
You shut your pirate face. Wanna be pirate?
No. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm going to kill you.
Oh God.
Oh, he really acting like a dog. Finally, I took his head off. Revenge! Victory!
Lol, that was amazing.
Woof. You're right. Woof. Huh? Huh? Oh, come on, Foxy.
Let me see, buddy.
I just fooled you.
Hello.